How to fix Messenger notifications not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open and close the Messenger app 2 to 3 times. So open the app, then go to the recents and close the app. Do it 2 to 3 times. And after doing it again and again, the Messenger app notifications will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue while receiving the notifications from Messenger after doing this, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Now tap on do not disturb, and from here, if you have enabled do not disturb, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off do not disturb, it will help you to fix the Messenger notifications not working issue, because when do not disturb is on, it will silence all the notifications and calls. So after turning off do not disturb, if you are still facing the issue of Messenger notifications, then the last solution is try resetting the all settings of your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the Messenger notifications will definitely start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Messenger notifications not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.